तो एक एंगल से मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि बिकॉज एकनाथ शिंदे जी का एक एस्पेक्ट अलग है, बट अजीत पवार और आप एक गवर्नमेंट में आपने काम किया हुआ है और आपका एक रिलेशनशिप इंटरवाइंड एक बोल सकते हो कि आज भी कुछ एलिगेशंस होते हैं तो आपका नाम कहीं ना कहीं आ ही जाता है कि पृथ्वीराज चौहान, तो जब कहीं ना कहीं आपका नाम आ जाता है, तो अजीत पवार के काम करने के तरीके को आप कैसे देखते हैं?
देखिए, he has some positive qualities. He's a very hardworking person. While there are other allegations against him, the irrigation matter and all that, and this cooperative bank matter is still going on. But I have not seen him indulging in corruption in transferring people.
Okay.
That's a very good quality of an administrator.
Mm-hmm.
But beyond these two qualities, being a very hardworking person and about administration, is very strict about giving the free hand to the junior officers, executives to run the administration properly. There's nothing else I can say nice about him, because he's a politician. He wants to grab power. He cannot live without power. Then he is very decisive. वगैरह वो कुछ चीजें हैं. लेकिन political morality is not one of the qualities that he has.
बट ऐसा लव एंड हेट रिलेशनशिप पहले से ही रहा गया है गवर्नमेंट में रहते हुए भी. व्हाट इज द रीजन ऑफ दिस? डू यू थिंक देयर इज बैड ब्लड एनीवेयर बिटवीन?
I don't think I have no hate for him, no extra love for him, and he's just a colleague. And if he's got some good quality, I'll respect them. If he's some bad quality, I'll oppose them. I took some decisions in the interest of people of state of Maharashtra, particularly to find out what was happening in the irrigation department and to save the cooperative bank, to save the central cooperative bank, which is the largest bank in Asia. And that action was initiated by Reserve Bank, not me. So you cannot really hold me responsible for the Reserve Bank, for the bank matter. But the end result was, after my meeting with the Reserve Bank Governor, Raghuram Rajan, a decision was taken to dissolve the elected board of the Maharashtra State Cooperative Bank. I think it was the correct decision. I appointed two administrators from the government. One was the Finance Minister Ajit Pawar's secretary, and another was Cooperation Minister Secretary, Mr. Goyal and Mr. Srivastava, and told them that you must nurse the bank which was running in the loss of 1,100 crores to health. And within 3 months, I think they turned the bank around, and it is now, even now it is run by administrators. There's no election in the Maharashtra State Cooperative Bank since 2011.
Okay.
But it is a very strong bank, and it is a backbone of the Maharashtra's cooperative movement.
But
But now, unfortunately, Ajit Pawar felt that it was the action directed against him personally, which it was not.
But you were blamed for something that you did not do.
Well, he can blame me if he wants to. I did the action. I'm responsible for the action. But it was not an action against the party.
Okay.
It was the action to save the cooperative bank and save the cooperative movement.